So this resource is called Canva. The purpose is for students to be able to creatively present their information in a way that's not just written or drawn. It's a fun digital way. The audience is students. The standards involve creativity to communicate their ideas, and then also authentic learning activities that align with the content standards and use digital tools. So the students at our school have iPads, so they have this as an app, but it looks very similar. So this is what you see when you first go to Canva once you're logged in. So to create a design, you can type something, or I like to go to the ones that they already have. So you can kind of search through these, get all sorts of different ideas. Fun way to make resumes, magazine covers. You can kind of see on these three, we had students were doing a big culture project, so they created infographics on their cultures. Now these aren't them, but these are examples of what they could look like. So here's, if you click infographic, it gives you so many different ones to choose from. And now these are just three. If you click all, there's tons more. But if you just click it, it kind of gives you the basic. If you click on it, you can alter it to however you want. So if you want to change it to startup business or business startup, you change it to design, basically anything you want, adjust it to how you want. You can also start from scratch. You can move pictures around, you can add pictures, crop, flip, basically anything you can think of in any type of poster. So if I move this over, you can see how you can add different elements. They have photos, grids, shapes, charts. I mean, it's seriously endless. There's to add, you can add your own text, or they have ones that are already created if that's something that you're doing. You get to choose your backgrounds. You can upload things. So if I go back to the create design, so something as simple as a poster. You can click like an event poster, that Jake's 9th birthday party. So you can edit it however you want. It's kind of nice to have these already created, and I know the kids like these because it gives them somewhere to start. A lot of the times they have this really cool idea in mind, but they don't know where to start. So this is a good idea for them to get ideas. Also, just some ideas. We had students create Facebook posts. We had students create newspapers for Veterans Day. That was really fun. And that's one of those things that if you would have just given them a pencil and paper, they wouldn't have been able to create the kind of engaging and exciting to look at newspaper that they would have been able to create with Canva. The kids really like it. I really like it. It's much more exciting than being able to look at just a bunch of hand-drawn things or painted things. And it really gets them immersed into the technology. So if you're able to use this in your classroom, I sure hope you can.